We're going to check back in with our FL5 and see what the dyno results were from last week. Looking back at some of the comments from our video last week, you guys were disappointed that we didn't release the dyno figures from the FL5 and fit in the new exhaust to it. That's because they were slightly lower than what we were expecting, so I wanted to get some road miles on the car, run a fresh tank of fuel through it, and then re-dyno to see what we could achieve. Let's take a look. So let's take a look at some of the results. Previously, when we dynoed the stock FL5, we were receiving power figures of around 340 to 345. If you look across the top view here, you can see the varying results. And then moving on from that, after fitting the Milltek exhaust, some of the dyno figures here, again, slightly high 330s and even around 342, 344 as well. Obviously a little bit inconsistent from what we were expecting to be receiving from the exhaust, so we decided to get some road miles on the car, get a fresh tank of fuel in there, and then re-dyno again. Doing so, again, we were receiving around similar sort of figures again, 343, 344, and then just the power starting to drop off to about 340. All in all, we haven't really gained any power, but we haven't lost any power either. What we have done is really bring the Type R to life. The exhaust sounds absolutely incredible now, so we're looking forward to testing other exhausts as they start to come to market. One of our friends, Tim, has also got an FL5 that we've previously had on our dyno and experienced very strong numbers out of his car too. He's also interested in a Milltek exhaust, so we'll hopefully get one of those ordered in for him soon, where we'll then pre-dyno the car on the same day, fit the exhaust, and then get the car back on the dyno to get a more comparative back-to-back result. Does it compare to what we've just received on our FL5? So next up, we're going to be skipping fitting the AP brakes just for the moment. We're going to cut back to that in a week or so's time. I'm going to take the car off the dyno now and we're going to run it round next door to Venturi, where Bilal will now start the intake development. We started testing on our prototype intercooler. We've got some road miles done in the car and started to gather some data. Obviously, once the car comes back from Venturi, we're going to have an intake covered off. We've already got the exhaust on the car, and we'll have our intercooler there. That's leaving us in very good stead for having a Flash Pro then fitted and being able to tune and really release the potential of the FL5 platform. I've been speaking with Doug at Hondata.
Hi, I'm Doug from Hondata.
They've just released their US Flash Pro into the US market, but at the moment we're still working with Doug in jailbreaking on the UK ECUs. Hopefully that's coming very, very soon, and like I say, we can release the full potential of the FL5 platform. As always, thank you very much for watching. If you're enjoying following the FL5 content from us, please remember, hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, and please leave us a comment below.